Good morning. So here are our learning targets for today. I can identify a verb tense and its vowel sounds, and I can change verbs into the future tense. We have not been doing the third objective, so we are actually going to skip that one today as well. So let's look at this. It said he wiggled his toes. What is the verb in this sentence? He wiggled his toes. It is wiggled. Is the verb in this present tense or past tense? Think about how can we know if the verb is present tense or past tense? It is past tense because of that ed suffix, right? The ed phonogram. So what is the first vowel sound in the word wiggled? It is I, like as in it. So we learned to spell the sound I with the letter I. They wait for the bus. What is the verb in this sentence? They wait for the bus. It is wait. Is this present tense or past tense? It is present tense. And what is the first vowel sound in the word wait? It is A, like in the A phonogram, not used. Wait. We learn to spell the sound A with the digraph or the phonogram AI. She likes me. What is the verb? Likes. Is this present tense or past tense? Present tense. And what is the first vowel sound we hear in likes? I. So this is a silent final E, right? So it is, we learn to spell the sound I with the spelling I, and then usually it's going to be a consonant and then the E. We asked for directions. What is the verb? Asked. Is the verb present tense or past tense? Past tense because of that ed. What is the first vowel sound that we hear in the word asked? It is a, like in pat. So we learn to spell the sound at with the A. I floated in the pool. What is the verb? Floated. Is the verb present or past tense? Past tense. What is the first vowel sound in the word floated? O, as in boat, right? We learn to spell the sound O with the spelling OA. So these are just some of those things that we can remember when we're trying to decode or trying to sound out some words. We eat dinner at 6. What is the verb? Eat. And is this present tense or past tense? Present tense. What is the first vowel sound that you hear in the word eat? E, right? As in beach. So we learn to spell the sound E with the spelling EA. He cried. What is the verb? Cried. And is the verb present or past tense? It is past tense. And what is the first vowel sound in the word cried? I, like in tie. And we learn to spell the sound I with the spelling IE. So change action verb to tense. You have been studying the present and past tense forms of verbs. What does it mean if something is in the past tense? The action has already happened. That's what past tense means. What does it mean if the verb is in the present tense? The action is happening right now. So the future tense is made by adding the word will in front of the base form of the verb. So for example, I swim. To change that, which that is present tense, to change that, I would just say I will swim. So I would just add that will. The future tense indicates or shows the action that will happen at some time in the future. It is going to happen. It has not happened yet. So the future tense is much more regular and much less complicated than the past tense. So today you were able to identify a verb tense, and its vowel sounds. You did all that. And you were able to change verbs into the future tense. And we did that by using that word will. And we skipped the last objective or learning target. So this is going to be your worksheet for the day, and it's just one worksheet. And the first part of it up here, it says you're going to change the present tense to the future tense. So the present tense is I swim, I sleep, I fish, I eat, I dress. So you are just going to change it to the future tense. So remember what we did is I said I swim is the present. All I did was I added that word will. I will swim. So you're going to finish up these, what is it, four, one, two, three, four. Finish up these with adding that will, okay? And then you're going to finish the sentence and write what you will do when you grow up. So when I grow up, I will, and you are going to finish up by writing what you are going to do when you grow up. And that is a future tense thing because you guys have not grown up yet, right? If I were to fill this out when I was in second grade, I would have said, when I grow up, I will be a teacher. Because guess what? I was going through a bunch of my old school stuff a couple years ago, and I found a journal from when I was in second grade. And my teacher asked me that same question. What do you want to do when you grow up? And guess what I wrote? Be a teacher. And guess what I am? A teacher. So that was what I was predicting for my future. And that was the future tense. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And remember, we are so proud of each and every single one of you. And tomorrow I will have a new lesson up for you. And I think that is all. We love you so much. Give yourself a hug and a pat on the back. Bye.